Can JasmyCoin from here have a 700+% move on the upside? In this video, I'm going to compare JasmyCoin to HBAR's price chart and see, based on that comparison, can we have such a huge move up? So with that said, hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a great time with your family and loved ones. And one of my viewers in the previous video said that the situation that we have currently in JasmyCoin is kind of similar to the one that we had back in the day in HBAR's price chart. And in today's video, I'm going to compare these two charts a little bit. So the idea is to just copy the fractal in here. Where is it? Excuse me. There we go. And put this thing in HBAR's chart and see, can we identify some similarities or not? So, okay, let's go on daily time frame, zoom and more. Okay, let's just paste this one. I am guessing that you want to compare this move on the upside in JasmyCoin to this one in HBAR. Let's just do this. Okay, and also stretch this one a bit more. And you want to argue because in HBAR, in this move, we didn't actually take the lowest low. In JasmyCoin, we can do something similar and from here have a big move up. How big exactly? Well, okay, in HBAR, starting from here, we had about a 770% move up. So in JasmyCoin, do you believe that we are going to have something like that? Well, I'm going to talk about it in today's update. Now, first things first, I want you to know that in HBAR, right in here, according to my primary scenario, I was actually a bit more bearish than bullish. Why was that? I was saying in here, well, okay, we are going to have a move down, and in that move, we are going to take this low, this one, and we might as well take the lowest low down here, because in this area, according to my primary case, this was a correction structure up and not an impulse, a WXY potentially in form of a zigzag followed by a double zigzag. However, although we did take this low and even this one in some other charts, we definitely didn't take the lowest low, and instead from here we just shot off and started a fantastic move up. Now, I want to be very clear. Overall, I am 1000 billion% bullish in HBAR because in every single video, if you go back and check them out, you will see that I was saying, look, this is a very clear 5-wave up into a wave 1. This whole move down is a correction for wave 2, and after it's over, we are going to get a big move up into wave 3, 4, 5. So in the mid to long term, I fully expected this move up. However, not starting from here. I expected maybe some more downward price action and then a very strong bounce back, something like this. But again, as you can see, it didn't happen, and I turned out to be absolutely wrong. Now, the question is, can we have something like this in JasmyCoin or not? Let's go on Yasm's chart. Okay, so here is the situation. Similar to HBAR, in the mid to long term, I am still 1000% bullish in JasmyCoin because I fully believe, starting from the lowest low all the way down here, about 0.0027, we are having a 5-wave up into a wave 1. This is a correction down for wave 2. This is an extremely clear 5 up into wave 3. This whole move down, when we were back around the lows, I was saying is a correction for wave 4, and after it's over, we are going to have another move up into wave 5, and we did get this move up. But here's the thing, I find that quite hard to believe that our move up and our bull run overall in JasmyCoin is over, because the subwaves for me do not really add up to be a clear impulse into our wave 5. So overall, again, similar to HBAR, I am still 1000% bullish. Now, here's the deal. In the previous video, I was telling you, look, in JasmyCoin, because this move on the upside to me seems like to be an A, B, C zigzag and not an impulse, I'm going to say maybe from here we are going to get a continuation of the move down in order to also take this low. But this is the key. After taking this low, I don't expect us to go a whole lot lower. And from this very important now support area, I am expecting a very strong bounce back. Now, here's the thing. I still believe something like that might be in play, but every scenario should have a very important invalidation point. And what is it for this case? Well, okay, I'm going to tell you. It's going to be having a very clear impulse in order to get out of this area. So if in JasmyCoin in the next couple of days, I would say probably in the next 5 to 7 days, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up in order to take this side. At that point, I can actually flip bullish and say the bottom is in right in here. And you want to remember, I also mentioned this possibility in the previous video, and I still stand by what I said. The point of the previous update was that, look, if you want to have some charts which in them you're able to go long with quite a bit of confidence at this point, because in JasmyCoin in this move down we have taken this low, okay, I wouldn't really suggest this chart to go long. For example, Algorand to me looks quite a bit better than JasmyCoin. ICP also looks very much promising, and as long as I have those charts that I'm able to have a better read on them, I'm not really going to touch JasmyCoin. I still absolutely hold what I own, but the key is this: I'm not really going to go long in this area unless I see a clear impulse out of this region. So again, I want to be very clear. Overall, I am absolutely bullish. It's just the fact that maybe in the short term, we're going to get another move down. And this is going to be, for me, a fantastic long opportunity. Now, back to your question. Can we have what we had in HBAR, meaning a 700% move on the upside? Now, I have talked about this in the previous videos. I think I made a specific video about JasmyCoin targets around 3 months ago. And if you haven't watched it, here's the deal. I think a 20 cents JasmyCoin is possible, meaning from here, we can actually have a 700% move on the upside. But for now, it's really, really too soon to jump into that kind of bullish conclusion. I would like to suggest just take everything step by step. Let's see, is this going to be, for example, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave on the upside or not? And when and where specifically are we going to complete the waves in here? Wherever we complete the waves, at that point, I'm going to say, you know what, either we have hit the top or we are extremely, extremely close to our final top for this bull run in JasmyCoin. I cannot really tell you with absolute certainty that from here we're gonna have like a 700% move up. Anybody that tells you something like this, I promise you they don't know what they are talking about, because there is no certainty in any market. Having said that, in my primary scenario, I believe that JasmyCoin is going to continue its move up and take the highest side in this region for the first target around 6 cents. I can tell you that, but I cannot tell you that we're going to go absolutely 100% to somewhere around 20 cents. So let's have our final conclusion and wrap up today's video. If you compare JasmyCoin to HBAR's chart, then okay, from here we can actually start a massive uptrend, and this can indeed be our final bottom. And I am absolutely fine with this scenario. I just need to see a clear impulse out of this area in order for me to be bullish with quite a bit of confidence, just for like very, very short term. In the midterm, meaning for the next couple of months, there is pretty much, I would say, at least for now, no doubt in my mind that we are looking fantastic in JasmyCoin, and our bull run most likely is not over yet. But again, this is just a short-term analysis, and my point is, as long as we're not having something like this, it's a bit risky to go long in JasmyCoin. That is pretty much all I have to say. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in JasmyCoin's chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next video, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.